Hi, welcome back to Musicians Edition Practice With Me. We're still working in the Standard of Excellence, Book 1, and today we're on page 20. And we have a different thing today. It's not a bunch of exercises like it normally is. This is actually a full song we're going to go over. So, how exciting is that? There is a piano part written to this. I can't play the piano part for us though, or put it underneath. So that's what you'll have to kind of listen to or work on in band. The books, you can actually download the accompaniments. On the back of the book, there's this website. You'll have to buy it for 99 cents, but that's not a big deal. If you really want to practice to the piano part, I would recommend just going to the website and doing that. I'll put the website in the link for you so it's easy to find. And you can just click on it versus just typing it out. That's kind of annoying. Okay, so let's take a look at our song, shall we? There's not at any point that we will be dividing parts. So we're going to be playing the same parts throughout the whole song. So that makes it easy. Okay, so first thing, what do we always look at? Our key signature. What key signature are we in? We are in the key signature of E flat, which includes which flats? We have B flat, E flat, and A flat. Okay, and what is our time signature? It's 4/4, so there's 4 beats to the measure. Great. Okay, let's take a look at our music ahead. Like I said before, I always recommend doing this, especially when you're sight reading. That way you're not caught off guard by anything. And if you are, you just happen to forget it versus like, Okay, so at measure 3, what dynamic are we in? What does the P stand for? Piano, and that means soft. Shh. Great. Okay. What else do we have going on here? We have repeat signs at 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh, it says right there on the top. Measure 6 at the end of it. We have a repeat sign. It goes back to measure 3, not the beginning. Measure 3. It even says here, there's a little note, go back to the first repeat sign, which is at 3. So then when we hit measure 6, second round, we don't play measure 6. We go on to measure 7. That's our second time. And then at measure 15, look at that A. What is it? It's an A natural. So it's no longer A flat, but only for that measure. And anything else we see here? Everything else looks pretty good. We have some ties and slurs. So why don't we take a moment to taw this? That helps me when it comes to tonguing and slurring. That really helps me tremendously. If I don't do that, I usually kind of just tongue and slur wherever I feel like it. That's not right though. Okay, so let's start at measure 3 for our tonguing. Okay, or tawing. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. Ta, 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 ta. Ta 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 ta. Then we go back to 3. Ta 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 ta. Now, did you remember to take the second measure? All right, cool. Sorry if you kept going. Okay, starting in measure 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. Ta 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 ta. And then we have rests here. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Ta 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 ta. Ta 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 rest ta ta rest. Great, let's give it a try, shall we? All right. So we're gonna just start at measure 3 because the first 2 measures are just full rests, and I don't feel, since we are not playing with the piano, I don't feel it's necessary for us to just rest that whole time. But remember, when you go for the piano part, that you rest for 2 measures. All right, so measure 3, first time go around, we're gonna do the repeat, we're gonna just go through the song. This is our sight reading. This is sight reading to me too, so if I make a mistake, this is my first time singing this piece too. All right, ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. One, two, three, four. 1, 2, 3, 4. Wonderful. How did you do? We did have a forte at measure 18 that we forgot to mention. And we had our accents on the last measure. Did you catch those? If not, that's okay. This is our first go around reading this. Okay, let's do it again, shall we? I don't know where you would have problems. Maybe, yeah, I really don't know. It's hard when I'm not with you. I'm sorry. Did you get that A natural at measure 15 as well? All right. Let's just play it over again. Let's go a little bit slower in case you were struggling in some areas. Okay, and don't forget your dynamics too. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. One, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Wonderful job. Let's see, maybe, why don't we start from measure 8 and we'll play until measure 16. Okay, so measure 8, this is after the second time around on repeats. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. Awesome. How are you doing with your tonguing and slurring? Even though we taught it beforehand, I am not tonguing and slurring right at measure 15. Me personally, I am putting a slur on that B flat to that A natural. That's what feels right to me, but it's not right. So why don't we take a moment and we're going to do measure 14 and 15. Pay attention to where you're tonguing. All right, ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. Great, how did you do? I got it that time. Let's do it again. I'm gonna take it a little bit faster. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. Great. I got it that time again, did you? Let's do it again. Let's go a little bit faster. We're gonna do it until we're really comfortable with it. Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. Awesome. Let's do it again. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. Wonderful. I don't know about you. I feel pretty good about that spot and I'm nailing it every time now. So it's good for me. If you're still struggling with it, go ahead, rewind the video, go back, practice it a few times until you get it. Actually, don't practice it until you get it. Practice it until you can't get it wrong. All right, great job. I'm very impressed that we're playing through a whole song. Usually, it's just our small little practices, but a whole song, it can be a lot, because it's, you gotta remember, what key signature was I in? What measure is this? There's a lot going on in an entire song. You can get tired and forgetful, and we're doing great though. So I'm very excited that we're getting through a full song. Okay, let's play it the whole song through one more time for good luck. Don't forget the repeats, look at dynamics, hit the accents at the end. There's breath marks in here too, so I hope you're paying attention to that. All right, so for measure 3, first time. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. We've been doing so good, and I honestly, I just want to play eighth notes the whole way through. That's not right. So for my mistake, let's start from the beginning. No, not the beginning. We're gonna start at measure 3, first time again. Sorry, that was my bad. All right, ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. One, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Wonderful. We nailed it this time. Great job. Tomorrow we're going to have 2 songs, so it's still not the same exercises that we do, but this is great. This is fun. Thanks for joining me today, and I'll see you guys tomorrow.